Hello again and welcome back. Today here we have a Durable Packaging Corp Do-It-All Carton Sealer. Its model number is CE22AV and it comes with the disposable tape head. Show you the label here, you can see the model and serial numbers. And now we'll go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, you feed the box in through here. Give it a small push and it should go right over the rollers and through the rest of the assembly. Like I said, it's in great working condition. Very small signs of wear. Everything seems to work great as we've tested it. There's some more info on the machine. Everything seems to be relatively precise and accurate. All works good. And if anyone has any questions, you can let us know at MyCyberOffice ID on eBay or mycyberoffice.com. And thank you again for watching.